Hi there. Today is the big day. 9 days ago we started my first giveaway and today we're going to pick a winner. I have 114 entries, which is pretty good for the first giveaway. And I had some really lovely comments from lots of you. Nice wishes to wish me well for my broken finger and my broken knee. So thank you for that. And I'm doing pretty good right now. And I'm very curious to see which one of you is going to win the giveaway box. Most of you liked the patterns and a lot of people liked the recycled yarn. So very, very curious to see which one of you is going to be the lucky winner. Now this is for me the first time too. And there is an app for YouTube that I can find out in a very honest way which one of you is going to be the winner. So hang in there with me because I might make a little mistake, but probably it's going to be okay. At least it's randomly and it's going to be honestly. And that's what's most importantly. When you do win this giveaway, your name comes up in the screen from this telephone right here on this app that I have. And what you're supposed to do then is I'll tell you the name of the winner of the giveaway box. And you will have to write me an email so I know where to send the box to. So you will have to send an email to me at crochetdoneright@gmail.com and I will answer you within 24 hours. If you haven't heard from me within 24 hours, please mail me at that same email address again and I will definitely contact you. So you will not miss out on the giveaway. Now, I am in the Netherlands. So when you get, if you're the winner, it will take a little while before you get the box. It's not going to be there within a couple of days because it has to go all the way overseas, over the big ocean, and then it has to be delivered to your address in wherever you are in the world. This is the phone where the app is on, and I'm going to start right now. Here's the little start button. I'm going to start it right now to see which one of your 114 entries is going to win my first giveaway. So here we go. Excited, fingers crossed. There we go. There it is. Look, there it is. It's going, it's going, it's going. And I think it's got a name. And the name is Penny Holden. Penny Holden, your comment was, thank you for your videos. Thank you. And the favorite in the box would be the scrape balls. Okay, I think you mean the scrap balls. I put in there also the little scrap yarns because there you can make the wave after wave top with. I love making colorful things from them. Okay, so Penny Holden, please send me an email to crochetdoneright@gmail.com and then I will give you an answer and we can connect and I can send you the box with all the goodies that were in there. So congratulations, and within a couple of months I will have a giveaway again and then maybe one of you guys that didn't win this time will win next time. I will show you again. Here it is. I hope you can see it. Penny, there you go. You're the winner. I don't know where you live, but I'll find out. Mail me. Thank you. Have a good evening. Have a good day. Bye-bye.